This is the relay of the vehicle. Here it has 4 injectors. Now first we are removing these injectors from the vehicle. For removing these injectors, we have one clamp here. That clamp will be removed from this one, and this injector to clean the injectors. For cleaning the injectors, we will put these injectors here. Before putting that, we have to clean this by a cotton waste, and after that we are putting that injectors here. See here there are different holes as per the size of the injectors. Here this is fitting here for this hole. Now after that switch on the supply of the injector cleaning machine. Now here there are 4 buttons. One is a start, one is minus sign, one is plus sign. 1 minute. Now again when we press, you will get 2 minutes. Now here we will set the time for cleaning. You can reduce the time or we can increase the time by using plus or minus sign. After setting the time as per the specifications of the injector, you start. Stop here. Now it is cleaning is stopped. Now after cleaning, you remove these cleaned injectors, and you fit here. So see here how to fix the injector. First you clean the machine. Now see here how to fix the injector. Now here there is a connection for electricity. Now this will be inserted in this passage. After that you put the injector here. Then adjust all injectors. Then you tight these screws. And you remove all fuel on this machine. Then connect this fuel supply to the relay. After fitting all injectors, start the injector cleaning machine. Now switch on the light. Press this button. Wait for few seconds. Now it will detect the injectors. Now see here we have cable number. See here there are 6 cables according to their number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now out of these 6 cables, we have connected the injectors at 2, 4, 5, 6. That means we have connected 4 injectors. We want to test the 4 injectors, and these holes we have given the packing for these holes. After that, we will start the test. For starting, we will press this button. Now first is the automatic testing. Next is here for selecting the specific test, you rotate this knob. First is automatic testing, second one is speed changing testing, spray angle testing, third one fuel delivery testing, next is leakage testing, spray cleaning testing, reversal cleaning, ultrasonic testing, manual testing. Now these are the manual testings. Now we will start first one. In automatic testing, all tests are carried out automatically. So we will not go for automatic testing. We will test one by one. First we will start the speed changing testing, that is the acceleration test. For acceleration test or for speed changing test, press this knob when cursor is on that test. Now here in speed changing test, you fix the time, then revolutions are not constant for speed changing test. It will vary from this 50 rpm to the maximum speed of the vehicle. It may be 4500 and initial speed may be 750 rpm. Now this is a pulse width. Here you will get the pulse width, and this is the pressure. You can set the pressure of the injection. Now for setting this, again rotate this button. Now first time. Now you can set the time. For setting the time, press on this button again, and you can increase or decrease the time. Now I will make 1 minute 15 seconds. After setting the time, again press this button. Now time I have set to 1 minute 50 seconds. Then you go to the revolution. Now for setting the revolution, it is the initial revolution. Click on this button again. Now increase this revolution. I will keep minimum speed. This is the minimum speed, 240 rpm. Now after that, after setting this revolution, press again on this button. Now pulse width, I will keep this default pulse width as it is. Next one, pressure is 75 bar. I will keep this pressure as it is. I will keep constant pressure. After setting all the things, go to the start button. Now for going to start button, rotate this knob and press start button. Now this test will start. Now here you will get the fuel injected, and here you will get the increase in the speed. Now it will continue for 1 minute 15 seconds. Initial cycle it will increase, it is increasing, then it is going to decrease, and it will come back to its new position. And now you see this levels of the fuel. Here this injector is providing more fuel, and this injector is supplying less fuel. Now you compare with the one standard injector or one not faulty injector. Speed goes up to the 9000, then it is again coming. Now automatically it will stop when time ends. Now you will see the fuel level. This is supplying very less fuel. Now automatically drain button will be switched on, and fuel will be drained out from that flask. Now this is your speed change.